For years, a persistent myth has circulated that dogs see the world in black and white, like an old movie. This is simply not true. While our canine companions may not experience the vibrancy of color that we do, their world is far from monochrome. Dogs do see color, just on a different spectrum than humans. Imagine for a moment seeing the world through your dog's eyes. The reds and greens might appear muted, more like shades of brown or gray, but blues and yellows would pop with a vibrancy you might not expect. This difference in color perception stems from the unique structure of a dog's eyes and how they process light. Understanding how dogs see can deepen our appreciation for their amazing abilities and enhance our relationships with them. By dispelling the myths and exploring the science behind their vision, we can gain a fascinating glimpse into the sensory world of our beloved furry friends. To comprehend how dogs perceive color, we need to delve into the anatomy of their eyes. Like humans, dogs possess two types of light-sensitive cells in their retinas called rods and cones. Rods excel in low-light conditions, enabling night vision, while cones are responsible for detecting color. Humans have three types of cones, allowing us to perceive a broad spectrum of colors. Dogs, on the other hand, have only two types of cones. This difference in cone structure means dogs are dichromatic, seeing primarily in shades of blue, yellow, and gray. Think of it like this. If we see the world in full HD color, dogs see it in a more limited palette, similar to certain types of colorblindness in humans. But this difference in color perception doesn't hinder their ability to navigate their surroundings or interact with their environment. Beyond color, dogs possess other visual advantages over humans. Their eyes are positioned more on the sides of their heads, giving them a wider field of view. While our peripheral vision spans around 180 degrees, a dog's can extend up to 250 degrees, allowing them to detect movement in a much broader range. This enhanced peripheral vision, coupled with a higher sensitivity to motion, makes dogs incredibly adept at spotting moving objects. Think of how your dog reacts at the park. They can spot a squirrel darting across the grass long before you even notice its presence. This sensitivity to motion is not merely a matter of curiosity. It played a crucial role in their survival as hunters in the wild. Being able to detect even the slightest movement could mean the difference between a successful hunt and going hungry. Twilight hunters, unlocking the secrets of canine night vision. As any dog owner knows, our furry companions don't shy away from a nighttime adventure. In fact, their vision excels in low-light conditions, far surpassing our own. This superior night vision is attributed to several factors, including the structure of their eyes and a special reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. Located behind the retina, the tapetum lucidum acts like a mirror, reflecting light back through the retina and giving the rods a second chance to detect it. This reflection is what causes a dog's eyes to glow in the dark when light hits them. Combined with their larger pupils, which allow more light to enter the eye, and a higher concentration of light-sensitive rods, the tapetum lucidum enables dogs to see in near darkness. This adaptation harks back to their ancestral roots as crepuscular hunters, most active during dawn and dusk. Vision in action: how dogs navigate their world. While dogs may not see the world in the same vibrant hues as we do, their vision is perfectly suited for their needs. They rely on a combination of visual cues, scent, and hearing to navigate their surroundings and interact with their environment. Observing your dog in action reveals how they utilize their vision. When playing fetch, they track the trajectory of the ball, adjusting their speed and direction to intercept it. During walks, they rely on visual landmarks to orient themselves and find their way back home. Their keen sense of motion detection allows them to interpret body language, both human and canine. A slight shift in posture, a wag of the tail, or a playful bow. Dogs pick up on these subtle visual cues to understand the intentions of those around them. Beyond sight, the power of a dog's senses. While vision plays a crucial role in a dog's life, it's not their most dominant sense. Dogs experience the world through a symphony of senses, with smell reigning supreme. Their olfactory system, far more sophisticated than ours, allows them to detect a vast array of scents we can only imagine. Hearing also plays a vital role in their sensory perception. Dogs can hear sounds at much higher frequencies than humans, and their ears, mobile and expressive, help them pinpoint the source of sounds with remarkable accuracy. This intricate interplay of senses, sight, smell, hearing, and even touch, creates a rich tapestry of information that shapes a dog's perception of the world. They don't just see their surroundings, they smell them, hear them, and feel them, forming a multisensory experience far beyond our human comprehension. A unique perspective, appreciating the world through canine eyes. Understanding how dogs see allows us to appreciate the world from their unique perspective. While they may not perceive the same spectrum of colors or intricate details that we do, their vision is perfectly adapted to their needs as companions and adventurers. Next time you're out for a walk with your dog, take a moment to observe their reactions to their surroundings. Watch how they track a squirrel's movement with laser focus, how their ears perk up at the sound of a distant bark, or how they greet a fellow canine with a wag of the tail and a playful bow. By recognizing the differences and appreciating the wonders of canine vision, we can deepen our bond with our furry friends and gain a newfound respect for their extraordinary sensory abilities. Their world may be painted in different hues, but it's a world full of wonder, excitement, and unconditional love.